Alright, yes, Assalamualaikum everybody. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing well. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to share something super important for all of the A-level biology 9700 students out there. I am going to share with you guys the list of the top most recommended books for the A-level biology 9700, and I'm going to share with you guys the 4 top best books that helped me secure an A star in A-level biology. And all of the books which I will be recommending you guys today are the ones that I use myself during my A-level biology course. So whether you are just starting the A-level biology or you are aiming to boost your grade in A-level biology, so these books will seriously help you understand the concepts better, practice effectively for your exams, and feel confident in your concepts as well. So let's dive right inside it. So the first book we are having for the A-level biology is the Cambridge International AS and A-level biology course book, which is by one of the most celebrated author of A-level biology books and also O-level biology books, which is Mary Jones. And she has authored with Richard Fosbury, Jennifer Georgie, and Dennis Taylor. These all are the very celebrated authors of A-level biology, and they are known to write a lot of books for the O and A-level IGCSE biology. So this book over here, this blue cover book you guys can see over here, is the official go-to guide. It covers the entire syllabus in a very clear and a structured way. So I really love about this book that how it explains the difficult topics with a lot of diagrams and clear understanding, easy wordings, and it is super helpful for the visual learners like me as well. You can find a lot of good diagrams over here. Also, another plus point about this book is that at the end of the each chapter you are going to find some exam style practice questions as well, and it will help you to test your understanding, and I highly recommend this book for building a solid foundation. And also this book is considered to be a gold standard book for the A-level biology. It is a gold standard book for it. So the next book we are having with us is the Cambridge International AS and A-level biology revision guide by Mary Jones, and this is how the cover of the book looks like. I also have the PDF of this book in this form. If I go to the AS level content of this book, this is the AS level content of this book, and if I start with chapter number 1, which is the cell structure, so this book is really great for the quick revision because the notes are extremely concise. And also, like for example, this is your microscopy topic and it is covered in just one page. It is a very lengthy concept, but for the revision they have given you the main points and they have covered it in one page. Also, they have given you the exam style questions which you can practice to make sure that you are understanding the concepts better. I would highly recommend this book for the quick revision because the notes are extremely straightforward, up to the point, easy to remember. The diagrams over here are neat. Say that it really helped me master my concepts and revise my concepts a lot. Like for example, the plasma membrane, straightforward key points are given. Then the nucleus, nuclear envelope, chromosome is discussed over here. Like they have discussed all of the organelles which you will be studying in your chapter 1 of AS level biology in a lot concise, detailed, and an exam oriented manner. So I would really say that this book is perfect for the last minute revision, and this one is the must have. So the next book we are having with us is the Biology in Context for Cambridge International AS and A level, and it is written by Glenn, Susan, and Stephanie. This one is one of my most personal favorite books out of all of the books I used in my A level biology. The main reason that why I'm recommending this book or why it is my personal favorite is because this book explains a lot of the complex topics in a lot more depth and with extra clarity. So if you want to deepen your understanding, especially for the topics like which are really difficult to understand, so this book is a gold and a must have, I would say. And also it really helped me to connect the concepts better and score those tricky high level questions well in the exam, because it is also having a good range of exam oriented questions at the end of each chapter. PDF of this book is with me in this form. Also, another thing I really love about this book that its language is very much easy to understand. It is having an easy English which you can clearly understand that what the author is basically trying to tell you. Also, it has this exam style practice questions at the end of the chapter as well, which you can do and test your knowledge. And also one more good thing about this book is that it has extremely good explanatory diagrams which you won't be able to find in other books, which are very hard to find in other books as well. Look at these amazing diagrams which you are having over here. It will really strengthen you to understand the concepts a lot better. Also, another good thing about this book is that, for example, this is 4.4. So for the whole 4.4 they gave you a summary text. Like for example, if you have studied these 2 pages of 4.4, so you must be able to answer this summary test over here. So this is a really good thing. It will be very much helpful for your active recall as well, and you will be able to recall all of the concepts which you have studied in these 2 pages. And then for example, for 4.5 we are having again a summary test at the end of the section of 4.5. so this summary test is a very good, you can say, an initiative by this book to encourage active recall in the students. Last book, but definitely not the least, which is the Exam Success in Biology for Cambridge International AS and A-Level by Richard Fosbury, which you remember was also the author of the gold standard A-Level biology book, which is this blue one. This is how the cover for the Exam Success in Biology for Cambridge International AS and A-Level looks like, and this is from the Oxford Publications. So this is basically how the PDF of this book looks like. About this book, I would say that if you are looking for a book that's a bit more exam focused, then this one will guide you through it step by step. One of the things I really like about this book is that this book contains a lot of tables, and these tables help in basically organizing the key points clearly. So these tables are summarizing the important concepts, making it clear for the revision as well. Also, they have a raise your grade part. In this, what they do is basically they break down the exam requirements clearly and shows how to answer the questions for the maximum marks. They give you the examiner's point of view as well to each and every question the student has attempted. So there you have it all. These are my top 4 books and the only 4 books I use for my A-Level Biology 9700, and these books help me achieve an A star. If you combine these books with your consistent study and then you practice the past papers along it and stay curious, I promise you will also do great in A-Level Biology. And also I am starting a batch for AS Level Biology of May-June 2026. So if you want to enroll in this batch of AS Level Biology, you can contact us at this given WhatsApp number. Also, you can find the link of this WhatsApp number from the description of our channel as well, and you can contact us through this number if you are interested in taking the classes for the lecture classes for the May-June 2026 AS Level Biology batch, right? And also if you want the PDF of all of these books, you can also contact us at this given number or this link, which will direct you to this number. So we will forward you the PDF of all of the books. Whatever book PDF you require, we will send it to you, right? So you can feel free to reach out to us for any of your questions. If you have any confusion in any MCQ or in any theory question, because I know there are a lot of people who are watching me who want to give paper in the October-November series. So if you have any doubt in any MCQ or theory question, you can message me and inshallah I'll try my level best to respond to you guys. Right, that was it for today's video. Thank you so much everyone for joining in. Take care, best of luck from my side. Allah Hafiz everyone.